Re-NEET 2026 will not be difficult. Let me give you the proof and proper evidence in this particular video, my dear NEET aspirants. A lot of students at this moment have lost the hope completely. Some students are saying, sir, I'm expecting the paper will come out to be like NEET 2025, extremely difficult. I don't think I would be able to make it, so I'm leaving everything. My dear NEET aspirants, you still have got time and paper will be easy. Trust me. Trust me. If not easy, it will not be more than moderate, my dear NEET aspirants. Let me give you the proper proof and evidence in this particular video. And let me just tell you the number of questions, how many number of questions will be from the easy category, how many number of questions will be from the moderate category, how many number of questions will be from the hard category in Re-NEET 2026. Let me just give you the glimpse over here first. Okay. Okay. Easy number of this is for NEET 2026 and this will be for Re-NEET 2026. Sir, how can you say this much of, how can you say 25 questions will be from the easy category? How are you so sure about this? Let me just give you the proof. My dear NEET aspirants, let's first dive into this. When it comes to the NEET 2026 that we have already seen, 22.7 lakh registrations were there. Okay. Easy work, question paper was easy, but bit lengthy, I would say. Expected cutoff 620. This we know. Now, my dear NEET aspirants, do you know till now, NEET exam, I would say Re-NEET was conducted thrice in 2015, in 2023 and 2024. And what was the trend? What happened back then? Let's talk about the paper physics. In NEET 2024, when paper leak happened, in some centers, Re-NEET was conducted. Let's talk about 2024 first. Easy number of questions, 38. Moderate, 10. Hard, 2. When Re-NEET was conducted, 32 were easy category. So means easy number of questions dropped from 38 to 32. And moderate questions, number of questions increased. So the paper slightly shifted from easy to moderate category. And my dear NEET aspirants, this was very much common. Okay, so that the students do not think that the paper will come out to be like the same once again. That's the reason they shifted the paper from easy to moderate. But I would still call this as easy paper. Okay, and hard number of questions from 2 to 4. So clear shift from easy to moderate. This happened in 2024. Let's talk about in 2023. Okay, Re-NEET 2023, Manipur. When it comes to the easy number of questions, 40. Moderate, 8. Difficult, hard, I would say 2. And in Re-NEET 2023, this is from 40 to 34. From 8 to 14. From this remained 2 only. So here also, number of easy questions in Re-NEET dropped and number of moderate questions in Re-NEET basically increased. So clear shift from easy to moderate. Now, my dear NEET aspirants, when it comes to the AIPMT 2015. So easy number of questions, 35. Hard 8. Moderate 8 and hard 2. And then in Re-AIPMT 2015, back then it used to be AIPMT. From 35 to 28, from 8 to 14, from 2 to 3. So clear shift from easy to moderate in this one also. Now, what are you expecting in NEET 2026, my dear NEET aspirants? In NEET 2026, in Re-NEET 2026, boys and girls, I would say, when it comes to the NEET 2026, easy number of questions, 30. Moderate 8 and 2 are basically hard. Now, boys and girls, from I would say this to this, you can clearly say in Re-NEET 2026, we are expecting 25 is going to be the easy number of questions when it comes to the physics. 15 questions will be from the moderate category and 5 questions will be hard. So clear shift in this particular case, I would say from easy to moderate. It will not be extremely difficult because thrice this exam was conducted once again. Re-NEET was conducted once again. So even I would say in this particular case also, the exam will shift from easy to moderate category. Slightly there will be the difficulty level. Okay, so not that much. It will not be like NEET 2025. Let me just tell you that. So my dear NEET aspirants, Re-NEET 2026 will be moderate level. 90% probability is that. Let me just tell you. And one more important thing, my dear NEET aspirants, if there are students who have lost hope at this moment, you still have time. You still have time to achieve your goals. You still have time to enter the medical college, my dear NEET aspirants. So give your 100% at this moment. Paper is going to be from easy to moderate. Okay, little bit slightly difficult when it comes to the NEET 2026. Okay, you are going to smash it. That is for sure. Make sure you like this particular video and you share it with your friends also. Thank you so much.